a ball of mass m collides with a stationary ball of mass 3m. After colliding, the two balls move together. What is the percentage loss in kinetic energy of the system? To consider kinetic energies, we need velocities, and to find velocities, let's consider firstly law conservation of momentum. And initially a ball of mass m is moving, and let is moving at some speed u, and it collides with a stationary ball with mass 3m. So a law conservation of momentum says that for the isolated system, total momentum is conserved. So momentum, total momentum, before it's mu plus 0. I choose x-axis to be positive to the right. And after we can consider them as a single object with mass 4m and unknown velocity v. And we can see that v is u over 4. Since it's positive, we get that v is positive. It implies that they will continue to move to the right. So initially our system consists of one ball of mass m and speed u, so it has kinetic energy of mu squared over 2. It's before. And after our system consists of two balls, or one object of mass 4m and speed v. So it's 2m v squared, or 2m u squared over 16, or mu squared over 8. And percentage loss. So before is greater, so loss is mu squared over 2 minus mu squared over 8, and as percent of the initial, it's mu squared over 2. You can see that mu squared cancels, and we can multiply each term in the numerator and denominator by 2 to get 1 minus 1 over 4 and divided by 1. So it's 3 over 4, and if we multiply by 100% to get as percent, and it's 75%. So it's D. And that's all for this question.